Welcome to Gleason Lake Gator Pride. As a school community, we have adopted Gator Pride. All students, teachers, and staff members have respect for ourselves, others, property, and our community. The second grade team is committed to giving your children the best education possible by collaborating with each other on a daily basis, helping each other manage our workload, and finding continued ways to better ourselves as teachers. We are dedicated to the wonderful students, parents, and staff that help make this building such an amazing place.
Here are a few important items for second grade. Second graders may bring a water bottle and a small snack to class every day. We request that only plain water be in the water bottle, as juice and flavored water can create a mess. We also ask that children come with a small, easy to manage, and healthy snack. Although we know it's inconvenient, we ask that no birthday invitations come to school, even if they are given to everyone in the class. We have this rule in place to preserve the feelings of all second graders. Each teacher will send home a class directory as soon as possible, so you will have the information necessary to communicate with other families. We will celebrate your child's birthday in class. We ask that no treats or toys be sent. If you do not want us to celebrate your child's birthday, please let us know. Please let your child's teacher know if you are looking for volunteer opportunities. There are multiple ways our second grade team will communicate with families. News and notes entries are written by students as a form of daily communication from school to home. Parents are asked to review and sign the entries each evening. Take-home folders will also go home each night and will contain any homework assignments that need to be completed, finished work done in class, and daily reminders about upcoming events. Please be sure to check your child's folder every evening. Have your child complete all assignments on time, and put any notes that you might have for the teacher in the back to school side of the folder. In addition, teachers will send a weekly newsletter containing important dates and information, as well as updates on what your child is learning and doing in the classroom. Another way you can check in on what is happening in your child's classroom is through the online digital learning portfolio. Each classroom has its own portfolio that will be updated on a regular basis. We use this to share classroom learning, special school events, and student projects. This is the best way to get a glimpse into your child's life at school.
Our goal is for all second graders to make the transition from learning to read to reading to learn. In the beginning of the year, we will focus on real reading and how readers are always thinking while they read. We will model this, practice, and build our reading stamina during Reader's Workshop. During Reader's Workshop, students will learn and practice skills that all readers use, like making predictions, using their schema, asking questions, determining important information, inferring, and summarizing. Students will also work in small reading groups and practice these skills with guidance. We believe that it is important for readers to have dedicated reading time both at school and home. Students will be asked to read at least 10 minutes every night. Setting aside time each night will help your child become more fluent, add words to their vocabulary, and create lifelong curious readers. Second graders will continue to learn about writing, building on previous experience from kindergarten and first grade. Our goal is for students to write so others can enjoy it, put meaning onto the page, go through the writing process, receive feedback on their writing, and share their writing with others during Writer's Workshop. We will focus on writing personal narratives, opinion pieces, poetry, and informational text.
Your child's classroom will use Bridges in Mathematics, 2nd edition. Bridges is a program designed to address math standards in a way that's enjoyable and accessible to all learners. Students in a Bridges classroom talk about math, describe observations, explain methods, and ask questions. Students are encouraged to find multiple ways to solve problems and explain their thinking. This is vital to helping them build more flexible and efficient ways to solve increasingly complex problems. Hands-on activities engage them in exploring, developing, testing, discussing, and applying mathematical concepts. Our math time each day includes whole group instruction time, workplaces, and number corner. Sessions start with a whole class working on a problem together. Students then move into small group workplaces to allow for enrichment and support. Lastly, students participate and help teach the Number Corner calendar time. Number Corner covers a broad range of mathematical concepts that change each calendar month.
Students will engage in hands-on science learning activities using the research-based FOSS science curriculum to continue to foster curiosity and inquiry. Students will investigate 3 separate units: balance and motion, solids and liquids, and insects. During balance and motion, students will develop a growing curiosity and interest in the motion of objects. For solids and liquids, students will observe, describe, and compare the properties and behaviors of solids and liquids. During insects, students observe structures, behaviors, and life cycles of insects, and compare the stages of metamorphosis exhibited by each of the species. Your child will study a variety of health-related topics, including skills for learning, empathy, emotional management, and solving problems. Our social studies units will be Minnesota Then and Now, Cultures, Mapping Skills, Great Citizens, and Economics.
The second graders at Gleason Lake are given a set amount of time each week to explore and research their own inquiries and passions. We provide the students a choice in what they research, how they create a presentation, and share it with the class. During Genius Hour time, students will spend several weeks researching their topic before they create a presentation that they will share with their classmates. Throughout the process, the teacher will facilitate and guide the students' projects.
Thank you for watching and listening. If you need further clarification or have any questions, please contact your child's teacher.